Choosing a banner image from the AACPS Office of Instructional Technology. Once you've chosen the theme for your site, the next step to customizing its look is by adjusting the banners on the page. By default, Google assigns a background photo to your banner at the top of your page based on the theme that you've chosen. However, you can change this image. If you mouse over your banner, in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see where it says Change Image. By selecting the down arrow, you'll have the option to upload or to select an image from their library. You can, of course, also upload and select something from here that you may have saved in your Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the sparkly little dots, and then I'm going to hit Select. You'll notice when you select a background image for your banner, you're going to get this little star option over here in the bottom right-hand corner. What this is doing is adjusting the text with the image so that it's going to still be readable. You're going to want to keep that on for the most part because that is going to make your site accessible to all. Another option that you have to adjust the banner of your site is the size of the header. So you can see here where it says header type. I have the option of making this a cover, which is going to be when people land on my site, this is all they're really going to see. Obviously, they can scroll down and see more, but this would be, as you would say, above the fold on your site. You can choose a large banner, a banner, or a title only. Sometimes you might decide you only want to have that title if it's a page or a subpage within your site. But being that this is going to be my homepage, I want to make sure that I have something that's going to grabs people's attention when they come to my site. So I'm going to go ahead. I typically just use the regular banner, especially if this is a site that my students will be using on a Chromebook. The smaller size is going to be a better option for that. Once you've decided on the size of banner that you want on your page, you might find that you need to move the image around a little bit. You can see here on mine, I have this sort of dot right over the ER that kind of makes it hard to read my name on my site. So I can, again, mouse over in that lower right-hand corner, and there's going to be a little anchor. This, when I select it, is going to give me the ability to shift that background image around because obviously this was larger than this particular size. So I can choose my different options here and kind of see which is going to look best. And once I find one that I like, then I can simply click off of that. And now that banner image across the top will be set the way that I want it to be.